I'm just now letting Carolina back in from outside trip to potty. She's been in the box and checked on the kids, but of course when I came in, she had to come see me. The puppies smell her for sure because they can't see her. Your puppies are looking for you, Carolina. You got them all stirred up. Yes, you do. I know, you're a sweet girl. We wanted to see you go get your puppies, not get loving. Yeah. Come on, hop up in there. I know. I'm looking at those puppies of yours. Look at that pile of puppies. Yes, I know. You're all excited and you're going to tromp on them. Yeah, I think you better check on them. That didn't last long. Okay, Carolina, I'll leave. I'll leave. They're about to try coming out of the box after you. Yes, they are. You just gonna sit there and wait for me to leave? You're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. Okay, I'll go so that you'll get back in there and feed him.